listen, my tripod's crooked. I'm not put together today. I have a backlog of stuff I need to get to. But I want to talk about the Facebook affiliate link integration and how to use it and other things. So, who am I? I'm Sim from Sim Super Savings. I'm a top creator. I've stayed platinum since the tiers dropped. And I'm an A-lister for live streams. But, okay, that's who I am. Take everything in these spaces with a grain of salt. I like to use this disclaimer because not everything works for everyone. I share what works for me and baby what I learned the hard way. So I have had this for over a year now, and I know it just dropped for some of you all. It's got pros and cons. Okay, the cons are you cannot deep link. I haven't checked in the last week or so, but we can't deep link in these. We can, however, use the regular site stripe link. And what's cool about this is if you're a lifestyle creator, it's kind of nice because then you can work an affiliate link directly into your reel or your post without being overly salesy, but it'll say shop right there. Kind of unique. Profile versus pages. A lot of people will argue that you cannot post links on profiles, and I will die on this hill of I have done it for over 20 years or so because it's on my approved sites list. There is no strict verbiage in the associates program. That's your offsite link that you use when you're, posting that says you can't. The speculation behind that, I assume, is because that for the longest time, I couldn't do on my profile what I would do in my deals groups, which is maybe some days up to 3,000 deals a day. It just depends on what I assign to the moderator team and so forth. But I digress. We're getting off topic. So anyway, yes, you can make sure it's on your approved site list. Any place on the internet, in the world, the interwebs, wherever, that needs to be on your approved site list, including like my link tree is on my approved sites list, because if you generate links from somewhere, it tracks it. So even if someone, say, for example, DMs you on your personal, it's like, hey, do you have a link for this? And where we can message, you still need to have your personal profile on your approved sites list. So let's get down to it. What you do is when you go to make a post, this is mobile. I have not been able to get this to work on even Business Suite at all. Like at all. It's a pain because I'm pretty old school and I really do much prefer the ability to post from my computer because I'm already over here managing my storefront and everything else that I do that way. Give me just a second. I'm trying to pull up my screenshots here so that I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. So when you go to, it's a little different on the wording, I want to think, between whether you're posting a reel or a Facebook post, but I'll pop up. I suck at editing and I'm not techie, but I left space here so I can put screenshots for y'all. Okay, so when I go to upload a reel, it'll say monetize or stars or something like that. And you tap it and then you click through. And under your monetizations that you have enabled, like for me on my profile, it's going to show, what is it? Creator monetization, stars, and then there's a block for affiliate link. You tap that affiliate link, you paste in your link, you scroll down to paid. That is not just for money changed hands. That's a totally different section. Okay, Facebook has it built in so that it makes sure that it says paid right above where it says shop. Okay, that is not just for a brand. If you are partnering on that post with a brand, then you need to go into branded content and tag that brand. A lot of people will argue with me on this, but honey, I'm not getting sued by the FTC. I'm not getting in trouble. It's an affiliate link and the verbiage is simple. It says, disclose basically that you earn on this link. So you toggle that on. I still do I earn if you shop with me below my fun little caption because I'd rather be overly compliant than get sued. And then you hit save and then that's going to link it. Now, here's the thing. I have gotten mixed feedback from my followers on, I do have, you know, my followers age range from 25 to like 60. So the older crowd, they often use PC, and they have said that they don't see them. So I will double back through a lot of the times when I remember, and go ahead and plop a link to, sometimes I like to do it to a curation or one of my idea lists with that product on it, because that's impulse buy facilitation. You know what I mean? Let me see. Now you can do the same with the image post as well, because I'm trying to, I got a mile of things that I've been working on today, and I'm talking too much, and I apologize for that. So on my profile today, I've played around with it, even with the sponsored products, because like there was a peanut butter on there that I order on repeat all the time. And this eliminates the need to, a lot of people would swear that you needed to link in the comments and whatever, but that was kind of a gray area, because then that is technically a promotional post, but you're whole hiding, you know, the disclosure and stuff in the comments. So I never actually did that. Never had a problem with reach or anything, but this is the entire seamless method of making your captions look the way that Facebook wants them. But at the same time, we're not getting our distribution dinged for it either, because it's through their approved linking method, if that makes sense. Pages are an entirely different thing. I played around with this today, and on my page, you'll still find it in the same spots. It's under your monetization or under your stars or whatever it is there that will show you here. Because, but on pages, if you're not paying their $350 a month verification badge, I feel like that's hiding links. And maybe a few people want to help me test this out here, because what I did today, I can see them on my computer sometimes, even on PC, on my profile. I noticed this today. So I've got, I was drinking coffee, and I linked that coffee mug in it. If I open it up right here, oh, my sound's on, then I see it. It says shop now, Stranger Things Hellfire mug. I can see it right on my PC too. So that's a good sign. But when I go over to my Facebook page, I don't. And that's the thing with Facebook pages, their verification badge is totally different. It's a lot more expensive. And one of the things is the different tiers. It gives you the ability to link, one of them is like, they're ridiculous. It goes up to $350 a month. You can link 2 links into a reel a month. And I'm like, excuse me? So that's what I'm testing today. And I noticed that on some of my posts, I did go in, add that link, and it is, however, not populating that view for it. So it doesn't show it at all when I go into it, which is a little weird to me, but then, I mean, that's how they want to make their money, isn't it? So that's something to think about too. If you're, you know, I have my personal and my pages all tag each other as collaborators. And this is something that I actually tested with my friend Carly, but then she moved to Ecuador, and so we haven't been able to do anything like that. We both do like fashion fit guides and stuff like that. And it actually did really well. We did one last year with this cute little outfit, and my page, I was starting over without the time. And when you tag a collaborator and they accept, that post is now visible to both of your audiences. So that can exponentially increase your reach there too. And there's something like, which I preach about, I guess. I'm rambling. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm bad at these. This is why people have been like, do you have a course on Pinterest? Do you have this? No, honey, I don't, because I have ADHD and it's really hard for me to do this. So I'm doing this one on the fly. We're 10 minutes in and half y'all probably dipped out. But I do try to tell people what worked for me, and I don't gatekeep, because I started this because I was about to be homeless. And I needed something that I could do, because I do navigate some health issues and things like that. And I did it out of necessity. So I have done trial and error for the last 20 years to make this work. And it did, honey. I bought my house with it, so on and so forth. Have a whole lot of financial issues right now because I learned some shit the hard way. And that's why I tell y'all, don't take tax advice from Facebook. You get with a professional. Anyway, I digress. So the point is, if you have someone in your niche, maybe not niche, maybe you both have reviewed similar products. Maybe you see your friend on a carousel too of one or more items. What I highly suggest is stop thinking of everybody else as competition. And if you're leveraging your socials, find people that want to scale, that want growth, tag each other as collaborators. So for example, if me and Carly have 2 different summer dresses, we both have the same dress. Dress A, I'm going to post, use my affiliate link, tag her as a collaborator. She can accept that. Now, that post on her Facebook pages or whatever, or personals, however you want to set it up. Now, that post is visible to not just my followers, it's also visible to hers. So that's 2 completely different audiences that have a chance to not only view that, gain you more followers, but also gain you sales. Dress B, dress 2, I don't know if I said A or B, she would post on hers, tag me as the collaborator, I go in and accept it, and voila, the same. If you notice, there are some huge Amazon influencers who do way better, I'm sure, than me, especially in the fashion niche. They do this quite frequently. And they'll even share photos with each other. You know what I mean? So there's a whole lot of ways to leverage socials. And I do suggest a mix because you don't want all your posts. Like right now, I'm posting a lot more with links on my profile and on my page because we do have the big spring sale, and my page is authorized for Amazon to run ads with its content. So that's kind of important. I would love to see, and I hope to see that since they do allow professional mode, especially that if you're not in professional mode on your profile, you're probably not going to see this new feature because it's my understanding that that's how it works. I would love to see later them give us the ability to actually link that to our storefronts, because as someone who lost their largest platform on Facebook, my first original page, it was huge and I lost it last year. Starting over has been ridiculous. I think a year in or so, and I only have 2,000 followers. And baby, there were so many more zeros at the end of that on the old one. But my personal profile, I have over 10,000. So it would make more sense for me if they eventually did create some form of integration there where we could link that if we wanted to. Because to me, that makes, I might email them and suggest that because that actually makes a lot of sense. But anyway, so you can link in photo posts, you can link in reels, but I do suggest actually going in and adding a link to the comments because you could deep link in your comments then. You have your base link already in your post. It's compliant with the way Facebook wants the layout and wants it to look in their agreement with Amazon. You cannot deep link in it. It is going to be site stripe only. So something there you could deep link in your comments then for everybody else, or maybe the people who didn't pay attention to the little shop thingy or whatever. So something to think about. And I definitely do recommend that you guys, if you can, turn on professional mode, because not only do I earn through my links and my storefront, I also earn through creator monetization. And I always say, do not put your eggs all in one basket. And that's why I also say, don't just post affiliate links, especially if you are new. You want like kind of a mix with this setup. Once you get there, you know what I mean? I think for a lot of people, if you're new and just starting out and you switch your profile to professional mode, that will probably unlock somewhere around the same time that you unlock the ability to get stars. I cannot, like I said, I've had this for over a year now, and I think maybe that's one of 2 reasons, because of the top creator status or whatever, maybe, or the fact that I've been converting off-site a lot too. I don't know. Or the fact that, you know, I've been a monetized creator on Facebook for some time now. I don't know why I get the invites early or whatever, but that's that. And I have rambled for almost 15 minutes. I do love y'all. You can ask questions if you want. I'm going to have to ask Fizz if he cares if and I know that's not his real name, but that is how, you know, I always think or talk about him, like, when I'm watching his YouTube lives, if I can post this or not, because I don't like people being, like, overly promotional in his space, but I don't really know how else to sit and describe something to you without the visuals. And I am very, as you can see, we're over 15 minutes here, long-winded, so it makes it a little hard to do a quick post. I love y'all. Go out there and make that money. I do not gatekeep this stuff because I think of where I started, and there are people out there that just can't pay for it. So I don't ever charge for anything, really, and I try to help whenever I can.